Hi there. If you're wondering how to create a lead magnet quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the best lead magnet types and formats that actually convert in 2025. So you don't waste time creating freebies no one downloads. Here's the hard truth. You can have the perfect topic, but if you package it in the wrong format, 9 out of 10 people will ignore it. Long PDFs? Dead. In 2025, formats that convert are faster, smarter, and built for shorter attention spans. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know the proven formats that are working right now and exactly how to choose the one that attracts your dream clients effortlessly. Here's why format matters. According to HubSpot's 2025 State of Marketing report, short form videos and checklists are the most used and most effective content formats for grabbing attention. On the flip side, longer formats like bulky PDFs are rapidly losing traction because they don't match how people consume content today. And Forbes backs this up. Their latest B2B lead generation playbook calls content upgrades, things like templates, worksheets, or mini tools tied to specific pain points, the most effective way to earn signups. In contrast, broad ebooks and long webinars are underperforming because buyers demand faster, more focused wins. And recent studies show that interactive lead magnets powered by AI, quizzes, calculators, and simple apps are among the top converting formats in 2025, outperforming static downloads. The bottom line, the format you choose is decisive. Pick something quick, useful, and trusted, and your lead magnet becomes a client magnet. Pick the wrong format, and most people won't even bother to download it. Here's why your choice of format matters so much. Some formats looks fancy, but they overwhelm your audience and they never use them. Others are so lightweight they don't feel valuable enough to attract serious clients. And if your freebie feels like more work than it's worth, people simply don't sign up. Get this wrong, and your lead magnet disappears before it ever gets a chance to grow your list. So let's have a look at formats that convert in 2025. The winners are short, engaging, and powered by AI or interactivity. Checklists and cheat sheets, like a daily energy reset checklist, they are still one of the fastest ways to deliver instant value. Type files and templates, like for example pre-written captions, Canva templates, or plug and play email scripts that save hours of work. Then short form video, like for example a 2-minute mini training that delivers one breakthrough. HubSpot calls this the top ROI content format of the year. And then, of course, interactive tools with AI. For example, Canva's quiz maker lets you design branded quizzes with instant engagement. And with AI tools like Claude AI, you can whip up a simple custom AI app, like, for example, an energy reset tool in minutes. And in the next video, I will show you how this is possible. Then you get platforms like LeadCreator AI that help you to create and track lead magnets without having to juggle multiple tools. So, format should feel like a natural first step towards working with you and deliver a fast win. A smart move will be to match your format to your role. So, for example, your coach, then rather skip those comprehensive self reflection guides and instead use a habit tracker, checklist, or quiz that gets prospects a quick result. If you're a course creator, share a template, a worksheet, or calculator that helps your prospects implement right away. And if you're a service provider, you can offer a swipe file, script, or resource toolkit your prospects can plug in instantly. So, what is no longer working? Here's what's out: long ebooks that nobody finishes, long winded training videos, or comprehensive guides that feel like homework instead of a quick win. So the verdict is clear. It's all about snackable, practical formats that create momentum instantly. Now let's zoom out for a bit. Choosing a format isn't just about what looks good in Canva. It's a strategic part of the AFTO roadmap, our step-by-step client attraction system. We're now in step 2 of our roadmap, the Swift Lead Magnet Launcher. In the previous video, we nailed your topic. In today's video, you've locked in your format. Together, these two decisions determine whether your freebie gets ignored or becomes a true magnet for perfect clients. Pick the right topic and the right format, and your dream clients get a quick win with you instantly. That's how trust is built: faster, more authentically, and with more staying power than any ad could ever deliver. Of course, the next challenge: how do you actually build your lead magnet and build it fast? The great news is that with today's AI tools, it means that you don't need weeks of design work or struggling to figure out the copy. And in the next video, I'll walk you through creating your quick win lead magnet in record time. Let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you. Which lead magnet format feels like the best fit for your specific expertise and role? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you think someone else could benefit from watching it, feel free to share it with them. I would really appreciate that. As I've mentioned, in the next video, I'll show you how to create your quick win lead magnet with AI. We'll use a free AI LLM to demo how this is possible and how you can start attracting clients right away. So subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. I hope you've seen throughout these videos that you don't have to worry about fonts or layouts yet. The real win comes when your foundation is clear and simple. You can go ahead and download your free Swift Lead Magnet 3-step formula. It gives you the framework we're walking through in this series. It also includes a handy one-page cheat sheet designed for instant clarity and quick action so you can implement what you've learned right away without any overwhelm. And if you haven't joined yet, I'd love to personally invite you into my brand new After Client Attraction community on Skool. a space for coaches, consultants, and service based entrepreneurs like yourself to collaborate, grow, and build strategies that actually work. Inside, you'll get support, fresh ideas, and guidance on mastering step by step client attraction so you can confidently bring in more of your ideal clients. I hope to see you in there. And don't forget to watch out for our next video where we'll actually put the AI tools to work and build your quick win lead magnet fast. Until then, bye bye.